Okay, when drilling through metal like this, I almost need a brand new bit. Well, first start out on a real little hole, then go bigger and bigger and bigger. But all my bits, even at the beginning, seemed so wore out. So what I did was I tried to do a freestyle. I've got both kinds. Freestyle grinding. See if that works. Trying to get it sharp, and got two size grinding wheels. I can't really get what I want out of it. I've also got smoother wheel. Let's see, is that better for you? I mean, I get some performance out of wood. I don't know, maybe I don't understand the exact angles going on there, so I don't know if this is even possible, the freehand bits. Yeah, I could Google it, but I don't want to Google it. I want to figure it out, so I'll try it a while.